Welcome! Today we'll analyze how the labor market for microchip engineers changes when both demand increases and supply decreases. Let's start by looking at the initial labor market equilibrium. Here we have wages on the vertical axis and quantity of engineers on the horizontal axis. The initial supply and demand curves intersect at our starting equilibrium point. Now, let's see what happens when demand for microchips increases. This shifts the demand curve to the right, as companies need more engineers to produce more microchips. This creates a new equilibrium point with both higher wages and a higher quantity of engineers. But what happens when the union implements a policy requiring doctorate degrees? This restricts the supply of available engineers, shifting the supply curve to the left. Our final equilibrium point shows even higher wages, but the effect on quantity is less clear. It depends on the relative size of the two shifts. Let's analyze these changes in detail. First, wages have definitely increased. Both the increased demand and decreased supply push wages up. The effect on quantity is less certain. In this case, we see a slight decrease in quantity from E2 to E3, but this could vary depending on how much each curve shifts. In conclusion, when both demand increases and supply decreases, we can be certain that wages will rise. However, the final quantity of engineers employed depends on which effect is stronger, the increased demand or the restricted supply.